Welcome back, dear viewers. Let's discuss about the forms that we use in the patent filing process. It is used when any person wants to oppose the grant of a patent after it has been published, but before or soon after it is granted. So it is the form for notice of opposition to grant of patent. It can be under pre-grant opposition and it can be also for the post-grant opposition. In other words, if someone believes a patent should not be granted because it is not new or it is copied or it violates certain rules, then you can use this Form 7 to officially challenge it. The legal references for this are Section 25(2) and Rule 55. When are you supposed to use this form? The timeline for this form to be used is anytime within 12 months from the date the patent was granted or the patent was published. Published in the Patent Journal. Who can find this? Any person interested, meaning someone who is affected or potentially affected by the grant of that patent. It can be a competing company or a competing inventor, a researcher working in the same field or an organization involved in the same technology or something like that. Any interested person can file Form 7. It includes opponent's details, patent details, grounds for opposition. What are the grounds? The opposition must be based on specific reasons allowed under Section 25(2). Those grounds are the invention was already known or published before the filing date, that is, a lacks novelty, the invention is obvious or lacks inventive step. These are the grounds. The third ground can be the invention was wrongfully obtained from another person. You have to select any one ground for your reason to oppose this patent. Then we have a statement and evidence where the opponent must submit a written statement explaining their objection and any documents, data, or prior art references to the support of the opposition. After that, you sign it and address it to the controller of the patents in your respective jurisdiction. And yes, this form has to be accompanied by a prescribed fees as per the first schedule. That's all for this session. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with everyone you know. Also, forward this video to your friends who might need this information. Let's build a generation that's not afraid of diving into the world of IP.